Namaste students. Students, in previous class we have learned subtraction order. What is meant by subtraction? Then, so in the subtraction order, which is minuend, which is subtrahend, we have already learned. Okay. So now today learn about properties of subtraction concept. Properties of subtraction concept. So in that, so we have already know that minuend and then subtrahend. Minuend means in the bigger value, subtrahend means smaller value. So the answer of subtraction is called as difference. Okay. So now properties of subtraction that you have to learn today. Okay, you have already learned in the third standard. Okay, these concepts. So once again I will recall to the help of predict test 2. So this type of questions I will ask for that predict test 2. So just we have to one or two times you have to read. Then so okay, what is the difference? What is the what number should be add, what number should be subtract, and what number should be added, so we can learn it. Okay, so if 0 is subtracted, if 0 is subtracted from a number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು number ಇದೆ 0 subtract ಆದರೆ the difference is the itself, the difference is the number itself. Okay, what do you understand? When 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. So it means we can subtract 0 to any number, the answer is itself 125 minus 0. What is your answer? The answer is 125. Next, second one, 1853 minus 0. What is your answer? 1853. Okay, so third one example. Okay, now 21,805 minus dash, it is answer is 21,805. This type of questions will be asking. So what number should be multiplied? The answer is itself. What number should be subtracted? The answer is itself answer. So we can, you know the property, we subtract 0, so we get the answer is difference is number itself. Keep in the mind. Okay, so this type of questions will be asking for the your exercise. Okay, so keep in the mind, this has to be 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is number itself. Okay, these are the examples of 3. Okay, you have understand. So next one is 1 is subtracted from a number. 1 anna subtract madidre gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. Now ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ subtract 1 ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ before number, predecessor means before number, ಈಗ has to be 9 is there, less 1 before number, 1 is get 8. Okay, so that type of questions has to be there, that type of answers. Okay, 1 is subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as the difference. Okay, just one more example, go for 315 minus 1. 315 minus 1 is 314. Then second one example, 1340, sorry, 40 minus 1. So what is your answer? 1339. So it is before number. Next one, fourth one, sorry, third one. Now I will take another example, 23,420. 420 minus 1. So what is your answer? Okay, 23,419. So it is previous number, we get the previous number. So 1 is subtracted from a number gives the predecessor of the number as a difference. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, next one, a number is subtracted from itself gives 0 as a difference. So now our same number subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get the answer is 0. So take the examples. Okay, so now examples is first one, 315 minus 315. Same on same subtract itself numbers, we get 0. Next, second one, 9,080 minus 9,080. So what is your answer? The answer is 0. Same number, adhe number subtract madidre we get the 0. Next one, third one, 92,935 minus 92,935 is 0. So that is the answer. Okay, you have to subtract itself numbers. We get answer is 0. So keep these properties for the help of periodic test 2. Okay, keep in the mind. Okay, that number has to so write in the CW also one time. Okay, one time you have to read it. Properties, what are the properties is that first you should read it. Okay, then this is the answers. Okay, these are the properties of subtraction. Now I will go for exercise 3a. So missing numbers you have to find out. So and then less than, what type of given questions in the exercise 3a I have to solve it. Okay, now oh now exercise 3a, the third one is there. Which number is so question is a 1234 less than 9999. Okay, so this type of question, less than means what we do, we can subtract it. More than means we can adding. So keep in that mind. So when the more than is asking, it is addition. Less than means subtraction. Okay, so here less than will be asking, we can do for the subtraction. Okay, 9999 less 1234. 5 9 less 4 5, 9 less 3 6, 9 less 2 7, 9 less 1 8. So what is your answer? 8765. So we can subtract it. That is your answer. Now same, all the questions you have to do the same way. Okay, now same 100 less than 3706, 3723. So we can less it. 3723 less 100. Okay, 3623. So 100. So 0 less 0, 0 3 less 0 3, 2 less 0 2, 7 less 1 6, 3 less 0 3. So your answer is 3623. Now same, so here 9099 less than 9000, 90,000, same subtract it. Okay, so here 90,000, 90,000. Okay, 90,000 subtract 9,099. Okay, now so 10,000 place is not there, so we can write this 0. Now it is 8, it is 10, after that it is 9. So now it has carry, it is 9, it is 10, after that is 9, it is 10. Okay, 10 less 9 1, 9 less 9 0, 9 less 0 9, 9 less 9 0 9. 90,901. 90,000, sorry, 89,000, sorry. 80,000, sorry. 80,901. 80,901. So that is your answer. Next, 15 less than the smallest 5-digit number. 15 less than smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number, what is? 10,000. So we can subtract 15. So what is your answer? So now take the carry. It is 10. It is 9. It is 9. It is 9. It is 10. Now 10 less 5, 5. 9 less 1, 8. 9, 9. So answer is okay. So 9,985. So these are the answers. Okay. So these are the exercise 3A, fourth line. So now find the missing subtrahend. Find the missing subtrahend. So these are the questions are different. These questions are very, very different questions. Okay. So how to solve the different subtraction? Okay. So here, if the subtrahend is missing, the difference is the subtract from minor end. Subtract from minor end. So difference is subtract from minor end. Difference subtract from minor end. So we get the subtrahend. So look at that. If the subtrahend is missing, so look at that. If the subtrahend is missing, then difference is subtracted. Difference is subtracted from the minor end. Minor end in the ಇದನ್ನು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗುರುಜಿ? ಈಗ 0 8 ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸೀದಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 6, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10. 10 less 8, 2. 10 less 8, 2. So ಈಗ 9 less 0, 9. 6 less 0, 6. 6 less 0, 6. Okay. So now 1 is not less 8. Take the carry. It is 6. It is 11. 11 less 9, 2. Now 6 less 5, 1. 3. So 3. Okay. Now we can easily find out this. Okay. Now we should write 0 as it is. Okay. No problem. That is keep the mind. Okay. So now, so look at that. So your number is 10 less 8, 10 less 2, 8, 9 less 9, 0, 6 less 6, 0, 11 less 2, 9, 6 less 1, 5, 3 as it is. So we should write it as it is same. So now I will go for second one. So we can subtract to the different minor into difference. Okay. 3 is not less 2. Take the carry. It is 1. It is 13. 13 less 9, 4. Okay. 1 less 1, 0. Okay. 9 less 6, 3. 6 less 2, 4. 6 less 0, 6. 6 less 5, 1. 6 less 5, 1. So same, just as be. Okay, look at that. 13 less 4, 9. 1 less 0, 1. 9 less 3, 6. 6 less 4, 2. 6 less 6, 0. 6 less 1, 5. Now, I will go for same, this type of questions. Okay. Now look at that. Same. Okay. 2 is not less 3, carry. It is 5. It is 12. 12 less 3, 9. Okay. 5 is not less 6, carry. It is 4. It is 15. 15 less 6, 9. Okay. 4 is not less. 4 is not less 5. Take the carry. It is 7. It is 14. 14 is 5, 9. 14 less 5, 9. Next. 7 less 6, 1. Okay. 2 less 1, 1. 3 less 1, 2. Okay, you have to observe the question. So what you write in the subtrahend first? 12 less 9, 3. 15 less 9, 6. 14 less 9, 5. Is it clear? Next, 8, 7 less 1, 6. 2 less 1, 1. 3 less 2, 1. So this type of questions. Okay, when the subtrahend is missing, subtract to the difference to minor end. Okay, difference from minor end. This type of questions. So now I will go for second one. So it is minor subtrahend is missing. What we do? So and then subtract. So when the minor end has to be missing, so that has to be what type of questions will be there. Just we can look at that. Okay. Now find the missing minor end. So how to find out the minor missing end? So when the minor end is missing, when minor end is missing, so the difference is added to the subtrahend. The difference is added to the subtrahend. So, okay. So we can add in the minor end, sorry, subtrahend and difference we had. So we get the what? We get the minor end. So now we can adding. So 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. Now carry we should write it. Okay. 0 plus 7, 7. Next 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Just now we can look at 4 is not less 8. Take the carry. So 12. So it is 2. It is 14. 14 less 8, 6. 2 less 2, 0. 7 less 7, 0. 6 less 4, 2. 8 less 5, 3. 4 less 3, 1. So it has to be same. Now, so what we do? Adding the my subtrahend and difference. 4 plus 1, 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 4, 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 17. 1 carry. Okay, it is 0. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so we can check it. 5 less 1, 4. 9 less 1, 8. 4 less 4, 0. Carry. It is 6. It is 11. 11 less 8, 3. 6 is not less 7. Okay, carry. It is 2. 12. It is 16. 16 less 7, 9. So 2 less 2, 0. We can understand. So now, so adding the same 5 plus 7, 12, 1 carry, 2, 3 plus 1, 4. Now 0 plus 1, 4, 0 plus 4, 4, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 11, 1 carry. Okay, it is 9. So okay, now has to be adding that. Okay, 2 is not less for carry, so it is 3. So 12, 12 less 5, 7, 3 less 0, 3, 4 less 0, 4, 4 is not less 6. carry it is 0, it is 14, 14 less 6 8, 0 is not less 3, carry it is 8, it is 10, 10 less 3 7, 5 8 less 5 3. So same. Okay, so now here going to replace the digit, replace the star has to be given in the textbook. So you should write has to be star is there, you should write the number. Okay, so we have to apply that what is minuend and subtrahend missing. So you have to convert, find out the that rules and find out the missing number. So here subtrahend and minuend is there. So subtrahend and then what difference is there, we can adding these two numbers 5 to these numbers adding now. So we can adding. Okay, so now here. Okay, then so minuend is there and then difference is there. So what we do, so subtract to the, okay, it is 12, it is 12. So okay, 12 less 3 9, 12 less 9 3. So okay, now so I will take the already carry I have taken. So in this one, so 7 less 3, 7 less 6 13. So we should write 14. Okay, so it is 3. Okay, so now so next one, so after that it is 3. So the 8 6 8 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 1 17. Okay, now so difference is there, so we can adding that. Now 7, we should write the 7. Okay, so now okay, so wait, it is 8, 8 less 2 6. Okay, so now it is the same answer. Now 5 less 2 3, 12 less 9 3, 3 is not less carry, it is 6, it is 3 13 less 13 less 6, 13 less 4 6. Okay, 6 less 6 is not less 8, it is 16, 16 less 8 8, so 8 less. Okay, we should write the answer. Okay, then it is very clear, so we should write it is 2. Okay, it is 4, now it is 7. Okay, in the 9 is there, as it is we should write it. Okay, so now go for this one, second one. Okay, so when the minor and difference is there, we can subtract it. So minor and then difference has to be subtract, we get the 8 less 3 5. Okay, 3 is not less 7, take the carry, it is 6. Okay, is there, so go for, I will go to the next one. Okay, now here 7 plus, so adding that 7 plus 3 10, 1 carry. Okay, 7 plus 3 then then 3. Okay, I will go for finally that last question. 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10 13, 1 carry, 15 1 carry, it is 1. Okay, so now this type of solve the questions. Okay, so what I don't tension, take the tension. So this type of questions it will not be asking for the examination, just for interesting mind work. Okay, so this is the concept of, so you should go for the next main. Okay students, so this is the exercise 3a up to I am solving 6 main. So I will solve 6 main, 7th 8th 9th and 10th main. So solve to next week, next class. Okay, so you have to write what I'm writing in the board today, so that is right in the CW work. Okay students, thank you, dhanyawad. So you have to practice the properties of subtraction is very important. Okay, thank you, dhanyawad.